Welcome back. Jasmine Kyle is joining us this morning from the SEK Humane Society, bringing with her a special guest, an Alpine.
Yeah.
Alpine, yes.
Good morning. Yeah. So this is Alpine. So Alpine is a 2-year-old female Basenji mix. We do not usually get this breed around our shelters. So Basenjis are high energy in nature, originated in rural areas. You can also see them in Africa. She has these giant dingo ears, and that originally was to hear prey, but she is a very sweet, sweet, sweet girl. She has been to PSU recently for Mental Health Awareness Day, bringing in support and letting the kids get relaxation, walk her around, and get to really connect with the dog on campus. And then she was also at Downtown Art Walks event too. Okay. So she got to be walked by several families as well. So we are looking for a home for her. She has been anonymously sponsored too, meaning that she has no adoption fee. She is already
that's awesome.
spayed, microchipped, up to date on vaccinations. Alpine does great with other dogs. She's just looking for a home with no cats.
I've had some people ask about the microchipping. If they come microchipped, what do you need to do at that point when you adopt a dog?
Exactly. So within your adoption packet, and we'll explain, you will actually get some paperwork. It'll lead you to our website that we've partnered with the microchip from. It only takes 2 minutes. So the microchip in her right now, it will always have our information as secondary. But when you go to that website, you can enter yours. And then as soon as you hit enter within 6 seconds, that is electronically transferred to the chip inside of her.
Oh, wow.
So your information will be on the chip, but ours will always be their secondary. God forbid, like there's a tornado that comes and you guys get misplaced and we can't contact you. We will be able to get her registered in our system. It'll pull up all her vet information, including your own. So that way we can make calls, we can do house trips to make sure that you can get her back.
So there's no like continual fee year after year to keep that microchip going?
No, the only fee I believe is if you move locations, like to update it, but no, that is included within our microchips.
All right. So you guys have a big event coming up, the Pause for a Cause.
Yes, we do. So we're bringing up our second annual Pause for a Cause. Last year was our first. It is a virtual fundraiser. So it is where you can bid online. And right now we have around 20 items, but we have some really cool ones this year. We got the Kansas City Chiefs to donate an embroidered football that is signed by their center lineman. We also have a autographed picture from the Pittsburgh Steelers. Arby's donated a year's worth of sandwiches.
What?
Panera's donated a year's worth of bagels. We have some really crazy items. It is, and again,
these are all things to benefit the Humane Society.
Yeah, 100% of this fundraiser goes to our medical fund. With our medical fund, that goes for vaccinations, medications. We had Sunshine on last year with you guys, and she was abandoned out, almost thrown out of a car near our system, and she had to unfortunately get amputation. And that way we were able to get her successfully rescued, and she is now with a brand new family enjoying every bit of her life. So it goes towards those emergency incidents, everyday medical applications, but it is very, very important for any humane society to have a medical fund. So we wanted to try this last year for the first time with doing a virtual fundraiser for bidding, and it went fantastically. So we are bringing it back again this year. That way it's for special gifts for you. And then Christmas is coming up too. If you have something in mind, then maybe take a look at our website, and it'll be online for a week. It'll be November 1st through the 5th, where you can go online and view all of those items all the way. So you have a whole week's worth of keeping an eye on those items for.
That is awesome. Okay, well, that's all the time we have for this segment. So make sure you log on and put in a request to get Alpine adopted, and we will talk to you a little bit later.
Sounds good. You found out where my treats were.
We'll be right back.